Converging lines and vanishing points are normally going to be man-made, but that doesn't mean that you can't work them in to natural landscape compositions. Here, one of the ways that the water feeds into this big lake is through this little culvert right here. And if we frame it up carefully, we can end up with both of the walls of it pointing, kind of coming together in the distance. So what's nice about it is the edges of this waterway are absolutely straight as anything, so they create this really nice converging line in the middle. I love these two little tufts just here and this diagonal line across the top. This kind of diagonal horizon over there, which means that not everything is kind of flat and angular and geometric. And there's also always the chance that something interesting will come across the lake in the middle there and give us an extra little bit of interest.